Elias, a man from the government. He says we're gonna vote.
Government men say lots of things.
But he said the army will protect us. He said our vote is our voice.
Our voice is the work we do, and keeping our heads down. Remember that.
We keep our heads down. That's how we survive. Nothing more.
The Bureau is here to ensure your rights as citizens. We understand the challenges you face, but change is...
This is your constitutional right to choose your own representatives.
You will not be intimidated. The United States government stands with you. The Freedmen's Bureau is here to ensure your rights. The right to vote is your protection against these.
We do. They'll kill us all. How do we stop them?
How do we stand up to them when we have nothing? They want us to be afraid. They want us to scatter. So we will gather. Here.
They have horses, guns. They will burn this church down with us in it.
Let them try. We were soldiers, farmers, blacksmiths. We are not helpless.
We will board the windows, barricade this door.
We make our stand, not as victims, as men.